Alright, well here's where we are. I have the carriage off the lathe. I got it on the bench, and it's going to be quite awkward, but we'll we're going to start taking it apart. I'm going to have to make a tool. These those slotted screws have been in there, and I already broke a tool, so I'm going to have to make a tool to try to remove them. And I want to take this all apart, clean it up real good. I don't know if I'm going to paint it yet or what I'm going to do, but I did fix this clutch. Now works properly. You screw it in to engage, and then it'll unscrew. It was locked, unscrewed. And I just took a piece of brass rod and whacked it a couple times on the ears here, and that was it. It broke it loose. So I'm gonna start taking this apart. This the cross screw, I don't know how I'm gonna take this out yet. I'm gonna have to pull this pin and see if I can get this whole thing to come out. I'm not seeing how this comes apart exactly yet. So that's where we are, and I'm going to try to take these off, take the handles off, clean everything, get this rust off of here, polish this up. I mean, I don't have to have this thing like beautiful paint and all that, but I want to be able to read these dials, So, all right. Well, let me make a tool and see if I can actually get this this carriage project rolling here. I'll be right back. Alright, well here's the tool. I ground. I used a 10 millimeter Allen wrench, and I made it so when I drive this in here, it fits in the slot extremely tight, and I will be turning it and beating it, and hopefully it will it'll come out here. Let's see if I can get a better angle or something. Yeah, I'm not going to be able to let's see. Bear with me. I'm going to try to put the tripod of the actual work here. Let's see. Okay. See if we can let's tap this in here. I think that's all the way down. Popped out. Let me see here. It's a good fit. It's an excellent fit. See if we can get a wrench on it. Oops. Alright, we're back again. I had to make another tool. This tool I couldn't get enough leverage without it popping out, so I cut the end off and remachined a flat with a curve like it's supposed to be, and we'll see how this goes. We're going to impact it with a little bit. Last time it broke. Turn it up a little bit. There it goes. We got it. Okay. The first time I used one of these bits, I had full power on the impact and it just snapped it off, so you got to go slow. Turn the gun down and let the impacting do the work instead of just brute force on this one. Let's see if we can get this one out. My ground is tight. I do not want these. I do not want this to come out when I'm doing the impacting. If they do, you strip it, you never get this out. I'm going to change these to Allen's. Oh, very good. That was an easy one. Shit. Okay, we got two more. Nice and tight. Just like I like it. Whoop. That one popped out. Let's go on to this one. Okay. Let's see if we can get this one to work. Wants to come out here. Let's turn the gun down a little bit. Damn it. Alright, well, you got the idea. Let me see if I can get these out, and we'll continue this video. Alright, well, we got them separated. This apron's real heavy, and hell of a time getting these screws out. They've been in there since probably 1948 when this Hendey was rebuilt. So the next step is I'm going to clean all this up, get all this grease and everything, all the swarf and everything off. I'm glad I actually pulled this because there is some swarf that look like it's very possible that it was on the V-way, and well, want to get that cleaned up and get it all out. And actually, this particular lathe, for whatever reason, did not have any way wipers. I don't know. I don't understand the idea, but maybe if somebody can tell me or give me an idea why they wouldn't incorporate them. All the other Hendey lathes I've seen, I think I saw way wipers on them. So, but yeah, I'm going to take this all apart and get it in the parts cleaning tank and wash it up, clean it up, and then we'll continue this video. I'll lay the parts out and all of that. I don't think I'm going to take this carriage or the apron. I don't think I'm going to take it apart. It's functioning. It's just dirty. If you know, my motto has always been, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. And they're difficult. I may do a slight adjustment for the worm gears to have minimum backlash or what have you, but I'm going to clean it up, degrease it really well, oil it up. I'm going to polish, you know, clean the wheels up, the hand wheels, the half nut levers, and all of that, so it looks more presentable. And you know, I got a little parts thing here going, so we're going to try to get her done. It's sunny here, 2 days in a row, amazing, in Portage, Indiana. 50 degrees, and I'm hoping that it's going to continue, because tired of this cold, crappy, dreary weather. I want to get this lathe running and going and get the garage situated and things put in their places, and get all this so it's actually more of a functioning little shop. Lots of crap I accumulate over the winter, and it's time to clean house. So alright, well, the next time you see this, I hope that everything will be cleaned and it'll be laid out, and we'll start putting it back together. Alright, well, I cleaned up the apron and got a coat of paint on there, nice and heavy, and it should even out. It's a special color I had mixed, and the apron came out pretty clean. So we'll see how this thing cures. I'm very hopeful that this is going to turn into a pretty color. So alright, well, until next time, thanks for watching.